Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with JBM. I'm really excited to show you guys what we have in store for you today. I love this meal so much. My husband loves this meal. It's filling and it's a great dinner meal. But the best part is you can make it in 15 minutes or less. This super speedy meal is designed to deliver a delicious, hearty, savory dinner to your table with very little effort, very few ingredients, and very little time. Here's what you'll need to make these delicious down-home steak and potatoes with garlic herb butter, mixed greens, and creamy mustard sauce. The first thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven to 450 degrees. Then you're going to wash and dry all of your produce. Now you're going to quarter your potatoes. Once your potatoes are quartered into bite-sized pieces, spread them over a well-oiled baking sheet. I normally do this in a larger bowl, but today I decided to drizzle the oil, salt, and pepper right inside the pan. Then you're going to mix until well coated and bake in the oven for 25 minutes. Now, while your potatoes are roasting, you're going to lay your steak out onto the paper towels, placed over a sheet of aluminum foil to prevent it from leaking through. Then you're going to pat your steaks dry with another paper towel. Lightly season your steaks with salt and pepper. Now in a large pan over medium heat, you're going to warm up some oil and place your steaks face down. Cook your steaks to your desired doneness for about 3 to 6 minutes per side. My husband and I prefer our steaks about medium well, so we cook it for a little bit longer. But be careful not to overcook your steaks. Keep a close eye while your steaks are cooking so that you can pay attention to when you need to flip them. But let's move on to the next step in the process. In a microwave-safe bowl, you're going to mix your bechamel sauce, your mustard, and a big pinch of pepper. If you're unfamiliar with bechamel sauce, I can actually leave a link in the description. It's a very basic combination of household ingredients that you can make on your own. I don't know if stores sell bechamel, but I wouldn't be surprised. Next, you're going to microwave the sauce for 45 seconds and then stir. Keep this sauce covered on the side to stay warm until you're ready to serve. Now you're going to cut your tomatoes in half and then slice each half into thirds. This is going to be for your salad. In a large bowl, combine your mixed greens, your tomatoes, your carrots, your balsamic vinegar, and a large drizzle of olive oil. You can also season with salt and pepper to taste. Mix your greens. I like to mix by hand, but be careful not to overmix so your greens don't become wilted. When you're 1 minute out to your desired doneness for your steaks, you're going to add the garlic herb butter to the tops of the steaks to melt over. You can find this butter at Target or any of your local grocery stores. I like to cover it to let the butter melt faster. After about 30 seconds to a minute, your steaks are ready to serve. Some people like to serve their steaks full, but I like to slice the steaks before I serve them. It looks good for presentation and it just makes it easier for the person that you're serving to eat. Plate your salad, your roasted potatoes, and your freshly cooked steak. Then you're going to drizzle the creamy mustard sauce over your steak. Please know that this sauce does not always have to be served. My husband actually does not like creamy sauces, so I try to exclude any creamy sauce from his meals. But for me, this was really delicious. Ta-da! You have made one of the fastest, freshest, and most delicious meals in minutes. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit like and subscribe for more videos and recipes to come. Also, let me know in the comment section what you think of this recipe. See you guys again soon!